Okay, this is how it comes out of the box in this compression bag. I remove that compression bag to find another compression bag. After removing that compression bag, came out pretty well, a little wrinkled, but fully fluffed. It's got a nice little washable, removable zipper cover. The stairs are a little narrow, but should be fine for a cat or a small dog. Yeah, not bad.
Me, I mean my geriatric dog and myself. And the reason for that is because they're very sturdy. They are kind of sloped, as you can see, so it's easy for her to get up and down and get to work on her bone.